Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best white duvet cover on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Nestle White Duvet Cover. The Nestle White Duvet Cover is an ideal bedding set for any season. Crafted from high-quality microfiber and double-brushed for optimal softness, this duvet cover is lightweight, breathable, and cool to the touch, making it a perfect choice for warm or cold climates. The 3-piece, queen-sized duvet set includes a duvet cover and 2 coordinating pillow shams. You'll love and appreciate the attention, as well as the 4 interior ties that'll keep your duvet insert securely attached. What we like about it: soft and cooling fabric. Multiple sizes and colors are available. Easy to put on and take off. Ideal for hot sleepers. What we don't like about it: maybe thinner than expected. Number 2. Utopia Bedding White Duvet Cover. The Utopia White Duvet Cover is a luxurious addition to any bedroom. Crafted from soft and sumptuous brushed microfiber fabric, this set includes a duvet cover with a zipper closure and 2 pillowcases with a flange that adds a classic decorative accent. The fabric has a high tensile strength, ensuring the product maintains its brightness and shape for an elegant look that'll last for years to come. This duvet cover set offers great durability and easy care. It's wrinkle-free and fade-resistant, as well as breathable and cool to the touch. What we like about it: suitable for all-season use. Cost-effective and luxurious. Comes with a hidden zip closure. Available in multiple sizes and colors. What we don't like about it: can't be washed with dark colors. Number 3. Bedsure White Duvet Cover. The Bedsure White Duvet Cover is a luxurious and relaxing addition to any bedroom. The solid-colored, modern boho design features a bold geometric pattern with detailed embroidery against a tufted texture. The duvet cover comes with 2 matching pillow shams for a complete, coordinated look and a cozy feel. This bedding set is crafted with premium microfiber fabric that's fade, shrink, and tear-resistant, so you can enjoy many years of use without worrying about wear. What we like about it: easy to clean and maintain. Zipper closure for convenience. Soft and thin texture. Comes with matching pillowcases. What we don't like about it: tends to wrinkle. Number 4. Alum White Duvet Cover. The Avalon White Duvet Cover is a great choice for anyone looking to liven up their bedroom decor. Not only will its modern seersucker design add a unique sense of elegance to your bedroom, but its thickened microfiber material is both durable and breathable. There are 3 pieces included in the set: 1 duvet cover and 2 matching pillowcases. The fabric is 40% more durable and 20% heavier than most materials. It has a metal zipper closure along with 4 corner ties to hold your insert or comforter securely in place. What we like about it: soft, comfortable, and luxurious feel. Animal fur shakes off easily. High-end look and texture. Ties for easy insert attachment. What we don't like about it: can't be bleached or ironed. Number 5. California Designed Den White Duvet Cover. The California Designed Den White Duvet Cover is a high-quality bedding set that provides customers with a luxurious and comfortable sleeping experience. The 100% cotton sateen material is incredibly soft against the skin, promising a cool and peaceful night's sleep. The set includes a duvet cover and 2 coordinating pillow shams, and its top-notch stitching ensures long-lasting durability and continued comfort for many years to come. What we like about it: backed by a 30-day guarantee. Soft and gentle on the skin. Fabric doesn't wrinkle easily. Responsive customer service. What we don't like about it: limited color choices are available. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.